Guys, been a crazy night, but it's gonna get even crazier. Pulled this from a Fusion Evolution. Here are all the other crappy cards. Shoot. Set up right now. Hold on. Alright. Haven't made a video in a while. That's about to change. Because I got this. This full art Alakazam box. Open it right now. I have to make a part 2 of this video. But it's got a lot of good packs in it. Cannot wait to open it up. Alright. Got the box. We got Alakazam Go Card People Home, Alakazam Full Art, and some decent packs. You know, 1, 2, 3, 4 packs. Can you tell me about 4 packs? Yeah, 4 packs. So gonna jump right into this. Alright, eeny, meeny, miny, battle styles. Alright. Let's see. White gold card! Nice. Alright. Come on, battle styles. 1, 2, 3. Supposed to be energy. Alright. Battle styles, come on. Luxray, Larvistrike, and Luxio. Alright. We're gonna jump right into O's class. We're getting all the crappy ones out of the way. Open up. I don't know. It's a really hard process, guys. I know I'm not gonna. I make Pokemon shorts, but now it's a Pokemon Christmas video. Come on. White gold card again! Nice. Come on, Christmas luck. Give me your Christmas magic. 1, 2, 3. It's supposed to be the energy. Is it? Yep, it's the energy. Come on, Christmas magic. Make Christmas nice. And the hollow. And the packs. 2 packs left. Alright, go to Darkness Ablaze. Please have a Charizard in it. Charizard! Green code card. What? Green code card with a V? Christmas magic. Just give me the Christmas magic. Oh, V card with the Christmas. Look, set a scorch V. 1 pack left. Big voltage. Alright. Last pack, man. Oh, man. Well, that sucks. Charizard! Let's go! Charizard! Reverse PSA 10! Let's go, baby! Profit out of that, boy! Let's see. Profit! Oh my god, we just made a profit out of this giant box. But I got another Christmas surprise, guys. Got one more Christmas surprise. Shiny Fates! Let's open this up. Not gonna be 10 minutes long video, so I'm gonna try to make my best. So it's Shiny Fates. Eldegoss Shiny. The promo pack. It's going to 5 packs. Okay, so obviously giant Eldegoss. Shiny Eldegoss, sorry. Let's look at that, please. Alright. With Eldegoss Shiny. And now we're jumping in Let's see. Oh my god, I never opened shiny fates. I'm gonna save the Charizard one for last. I'm gonna go with the Corviknight one. Come on. Oh. Alright. So it's supposed to be good luck. White code card. I mean, they're all white. Okay. I'll just jailbreak to it. Alright. Oh, that's what's that. Nickit reverse. Nothing. Okay, that's just the first one, and that's a crappy one. Alright, now going on to this art. I like this guy. Let's see if we actually get him. Come on, for it, Charlie. Come on, Charizard. Charizard, where are you? Okay, white code card, that's good. Jumping right into him. Hello. And still nothing. Okay, come on. Come on, Christmas powder. Sprinkle this one. Bad father. Alright, come on. Code card. Alright, jump straight into it. No, I like shiny. Come on, shiny. Nothing. Nothing, bro. Okay, come on, Christmas magic. Give me your magic. I need a profit. Sorry. Alright. Let's see if we can. Come on. Alright. Code if you guys want it. Backwards. Alright. Come on. Give me something. Oh! Oh, shiny Optigos. Nice. And we got a hollow. Oh, first hollow. But that's making good progress. Now it's time for the finale. Charizard, shiny fates. Come on. Come on, sprinkle some quick. Come on, Christmas magic. Give me your magic. Give me your magic. People at home, give me your magic. White code card. It all comes out of this pack. Give me shiny Charizard. Come on. Shiny Charizard. I think this is the reverse. Oh, it's not the reverse. I'm so scared. Oh, shiny Grandma. Not bad. Not bad. Poggers. So that's it for shiny star. Let me clean up all the crappy cards and give me some good cards. Let me give me a minute to clean everything up, because that was all the packs out of the 2 bundles. Let's see what we got. Okay, gathering up every good card that we pulled or got right now. Alright. I'm just making sure to know other good cards that I did not miss. There might be some hollows, but I'll clean that up later. Okay. Here are all the stuff that we got. Okay. So obviously, we got the promos, the 2 giant promos. We got Shiny Obstagoon, Gremlot V. We got a rare full art. Obviously the shiny that comes with it. Scorch and Alakazam and the Charizard, baby. We got the other Charizard at our collection. Peace out. Sorry guys, I haven't made a video in a long time. I just I have the money to get one. I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.